Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start Binance trading. First, you'll need to create your account. Visit the Binance website or download their app, then register using your email or phone number. Next, complete the identity verification process by submitting the necessary documents. This is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, enable two-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. These initial steps are quick and essential for a secure trading experience. Once your account is set up, it's time to fund it. You can deposit fiat currency like US dollars using various methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or even digital wallets such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, you can transfer it directly from an external wallet. Binance also offers a peer-to-peer, or P2P, platform for flexible funding options. Choose the method that best suits your needs. With funds in your account, you're ready to trade. Navigate to the trading interface and select your desired trading pair, for example, Bitcoin versus USD. You'll then choose an order type. A market order executes instantly at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price for your trade to be fulfilled. Enter the amount of crypto you want to buy or sell, review the details, and confirm your order. Congratulations, you've made your first trade. Beyond basic trading, Binance offers robust security measures and advanced tools. Enhance your account protection with features like passkeys, security keys, and IP whitelisting. For experienced traders, explore options such as futures trading, margin trading, or even automated trading bots to optimize your strategies. Remember, continuous learning and utilizing these features can significantly improve your trading experience and security. And for a smart home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.